In today's tutorial guys, I'm gonna show you how to fix Facebook Messenger notifications. So if you have any problem with the notifications, this tutorial is gonna help you. First thing, go to the settings, go to the apps manager, open the apps and then go to the Messenger, click on force stop and then go to notifications management. Make sure that all these options right here are enabled like this, especially this badges option. After that, go back and click on the data usage here. Make sure to enable all these options. Go back again, click on storage, click on clear cache, and the last thing is restart your phone. Don't forget to like and subscribe.